Heigold Façade near the entrance of Waterfront Botanical Gardens. Christian Heigold, a German immigrant and stonecutter, came to Louisville around 1850, and in 1857 he built his home, which was one of only a few structures on the point to survive the Great Flood of 1937 in Louisville. The city saved the facade of the house as a historical landmark. The Waterfront Botanical Gardens, located within the boundaries of one of Louisville's oldest city areas, known as The Point. Nestled within the Botanical Gardens, you'll discover a serene Japanese garden. Here, a tranquil water stream meanders gracefully down a gentle slope, crossing over a charming zigzag wooden bridge. You'll feel transported to a peaceful oasis, perfect for a meditative stroll or quiet contemplation amidst the beauty of nature.